Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Before moving on to the Shiba details, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. SHIB worth $10 million bought in 6 days by this group of investors as reported by Whale Stats. The top 100 Ethereum holders have increased their positions in SHIB by nearly $10 million since the end of October. This group of investors now stands at 8.21 trillion SHIB, the equivalent of nearly $100 million. Shiba Inu currently has a 4% share in the total portfolio of Ethereum's largest holders, with only STETH and WBTC having larger shares apart from stablecoins and ETH. Remarkably, driven by the Doge narrative, the SHIB price pump started on just October 28. At the time, Shiba Inu quotations headed north by more than 40%, but by today, after a wave of sell-offs, they had lost a third of that increase. However, according to the transaction history of this group of investors, recent SHIB price behavior and Whale's actions have not become contiguous events as was the case on previous occasions. Shiba Inu ecosystem developments as described above, SHIB's price has largely followed the price of Doge, which in turn flew off on the news of Musk's purchase of Twitter. However, Shiba Inu as a standalone project announced a number of innovations and news that strengthened the foundation of SHIB's price. This news mainly concerns Shibarium, the Layer 2 solution from Shiba Inu. According to the lead developer, with the release of Shiba Eternity, the development team's attention is now shifting to work on the long-awaited protocol. Shiba Inu breaks startling record in recent market decline. Shiba Inu fell on Wednesday as its wild rally appeared to slow down. Shiba Inu jumped as much as 12% on November 1 as dog-themed cryptocurrencies rose on Elon Musk's tweet. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk tweeted an image of a dog wearing a t-shirt with the Twitter logo alongside a Halloween pumpkin. Shiba Inu was a top gainer in late October as its price rose almost 55% to reach a high of 1518 on October 29. Bulls took a breather to resume an upward rise from October 31 through November 1 before exhaustion set in. At the time of publication, SHIB was changing hands at 12, down 5% in the last 24 hours. The Federal Reserve is expected to make a major decision soon, and there is still leverage on the market, which could potentially cause volatility in the cryptocurrency sphere. Shiba Inu sets record. Shiba Inu is still attracting significant investors despite bearish market conditions. According to Whale Stats data, Shiba Inu has set a new high in its holder count, presently at 1,233,301. The composition of SHIB holders is seeing a surprising shift, as nearly half of these asset holders are in it for the long term. According to Into the Block data, SHIB is currently recording its highest percentage of long-term holders, or hodlers, as it keeps setting new milestones in the metric. The percentage of long-term holders, or hodlers, has jumped to 45%, the highest so far, while that of midterm speculators continues to decline. Meanwhile, the percentage of short-term holders has held relatively steady. Per Into the Block's data on holder composition by time held, 45% of SHIB holders have hodled their tokens for more than a year, 51% have held within a year, and 3% have held onto their tokens for less than a month. On October 26, Today reported the number of long-term holders to be 38%, implying a significant increase in barely a week. Shiba Inu spurts over 12% in 24 hours, just for the day. Or will SHIB soar this week? Shiba Inu price continues to move in the same trend as Dogecoin, but the asset is having problems sustaining its gains. In fact, earlier today, the crypto managed to register a 10.3% price pump over a 24-hour period as it traded for $13.42. But, according to latest tracking from CoinGecko, SHIB entered a short-term price correction phase as it is now down by 3.3% on its intraday charts. At press time, it is trading at $12.52. Despite this, Shiba Inu is still sitting on a 22.3% increase over the last 7 days, and it has also tallied a 14% surge during the last 30 days. It is important to note that the time when the crypto made its recent price rally coincides with the time when Dogecoin managed to hit the 0.15 level for the first time since the month of April. This further supported the thesis stating that SHIB is riding the momentum of the hottest altcoin in the crypto space today. A crucial position for Shiba Inu to hold while SHIB's ability to sustain price surges that are inspired by both Elon Musk and Dogecoin. Some analysts believe that its recent upswings are not just one-time bursts and could be considered as indications of bullish trends. In fact, Shiba Inu is keeping its head above water as it stays above the immediate support level of 118. If it is able to maintain that and move on an upward trend, there is high likelihood that it might start to retest the 184 resistance zone as it aims to reach the 2 marker. If current performance is any indication, Shiba Inu might be able to pull this off as it is performing well over the last few days. Not only did it have price pump, but it also managed to increase its total market capitalization from $5.46 billion to $7.38 billion. Shiba Eternity. SHIB's saving grace? While Dogecoin is banking on the possibility of it being made into an acceptable payment for some services in Twitter, now owned by Elon Musk, to trigger more bullish runs in the coming days, SHIB is looking at Shiba Eternity to do the same. The free-to-play mobile trading card game is aiming to widen the reach of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and eventually increase utility and demand of the SHIB token. Lack of utility has always been one of the fatal flaws of this crypto that started as a spin-off of Dogecoin, as its almost 100 trillion supply makes it highly inflated. Among other efforts to help boost trading price for the asset is massive burning. The latest update released about this activity revealed that more than 268 million SHIBs were burned. SHIB developer reveals key reason for project's recent, quiet development, details Shiba Inu's lead developer, Shitoshi Kusama, in response to a user who questioned the utility of the Shiba Eternity game, gives a key reason why the Shiba Inu team resorted to the use of teasers for upcoming innovations and why the development of the SHIB ecosystem continues to be done quietly. Kusama says that when updates or even deadlines are given ahead of time, scammers or copycats often take advantage to replicate whatever has been shared. He wrote, "Moreover, in the beginning, I did my darndest to give dates and progress even updates, and the scammers ran with anything we say. For instance, if I say we are working on a car, someone will make Shiba car. Between that and being agile in this unusual environment, we've been forced to work in this unusual and quiet manner." He, however, admitted that a lot of updates need to be put out to show progress, while the project continues to work in an unusual and quiet manner. The lead developer also expounded on the utility of Shiba Eternity. The game is designed to be licensed to the SHIB community so it can provide P2E opportunities for the community, and we figured to do burns with the app version. As reported by You Today, the Shiba Eternity Player's Guide, which details SHIB's CCG game, original lore and incredible art, would be unveiled on November 2, according to an official announcement. While announcing the release of Shiba Eternity's player guide, Kusama said he would explain, in his next blog post, what was happening behind the scenes and why his focus now turns to Shibarium and other treats for the community. SHIB hodlers jumped to 45% according to Into the Block data. SHIB is now seeing its highest percentage of long-term holders, setting a new milestone in the metric. The percentage of long-term holders, or hodlers, has jumped to 45%, the highest so far, while that of midterm speculators continues to decline. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.